What kind of fuckery are we? Nowadays you don't mean dick to me. How much you let you make it up to me? Who's playing Saturday? What kind of fuckery are you? Aside from Sammy, all my best friends, naslednja pesem rabi posebno predstavitev. Gre za eno pesem, ki je bila pred precej leti velika uspešnica v Sloveniji, ena najbolj uspešnih slovenskih popevk. Kar pa je zanimivo pri tej pesmi je to, da je v bistvu italijanska pesem. Da smo...
To je bila tako uspešna, ne?
Najbrž, ja. V bistvu smo Slovenci samo tekst naredili, tekst je bil sicer krasen, ampak mislim, da predstavljati ga posebej ni treba, ker jo po mojem vsi poznate. Just a short introduction in English. The next song is a very popular Slovenian song, which is actually Italian song, which we just only changed the lyrics. So it doesn't need a further introduction. So we hope you enjoy it. da se zdi, a mislim, pridi da ljubim se s teboj. Blazne, blazne, blazne misli, da si ti, ljubim se zaprtimi očmi. Nora je misel, da drugemu se predam i sanjam, da znova srećna sam s teboj. Blazne, blazne, blazne misli, da si moj, zdravim, živim, vidim tvoj obraz. Nora je misel, da pozabila bi z njim vse dneve, noči ljubezni najde. Še v preteklosti, ki je spomin. Pazza idea di far l'amore con lui, pensando di stare ancora insieme a te. Folle, folle, folle idea di averti qui, mentre chiudo gli occhi sono tua. Pazza idea io che sorrido a lui, sognando di stare a piangere con te. Folle, folle, folle idea sentirti mio, se io chiudo gli occhi vedo te. Sweet like sugar, but it candy man. Sweet like sugar, but it candy man. Do I ba ba da ba da ba? Hey, well when I'm getting all buttered and hot, when I kiss my mother in the head, first body got lips like sugar cane. Good things come for boys who wait.
Cousin and Jane were swinging on the vine,
Candy man, candy man.
sipping from a bottle of vodka and wine.
He's the one that got you hot, making all the pennies dry. Sweet sugar candy man. He's the one that got me hot, making my heart sweet sugar candy man. He's the one that get what is hot, baby, don't stop. Sweet sugar, he got those lips like sugar cane. Good things come for boys who wait. He's the one stop shine with a real big hole. He's sweet like sugar coated candy man. Say what? Sweet like sugar coated candy man. Say sweet like sugar coated candy man. Sweet like sugar coated candy man. Candy man. Candy man. Candy man.
Cousin and Jane were swinging on the vine, sipping from a bottle of vodka and wine. Jane was a green
Sì, è un po' una maratona di queste canzoni, ma ci diverte sempre farla, in realtà. Prenderò per Giulia. Mentre Giulia beve... Io non ho capito tutta questa cosa. Possiamo portare l'acqua sul palco? Tipo la montagna, Maometto.
That's brilliant.
Grazie.
Oh, ecco.
Ok.
So
And now we have water on the stage. Let's dive.
What's the next song?
Next song will be...
È una canzone labirintica, però. Come la traduci?
No, stai semplicemente rovinando tutto quanto il... Cioè, poteva essere una sorpresa, invece è andata così. Vabbè,
Peccato.
quindi mettiti dove vuoi. Noi iniziamo.
Diciamo nulla? No. niente.
No,
Okay.
dopo.
So next song is a surprise.
Always for someone.
Just like a spy from smoke and light, I escaped through the back door of the world, and I saw things getting smaller. Fear us will someday show up, and everything is reflection. As I make my way through this labyrinth, and my sense of direction is lost like the sound of my steps. Is lost like the sound of my steps. Sands of the right flowers, and walking through the fog, walking through the fog. Sands of the right flowers, and walking through the fog, walking through the fog.
I see my memories of black and white. They are neglected by space and time. I stole my days on boxes. I left my wishes so far behind. Found my only salvation in playing cards in this labyrinth. And my sense of connection is lost like the sound of my steps. Is lost like the sound of my steps.